Does your back hurt every time you drive? Car emoji. What if I told you your car seat, not your mattress, is secretly destroying your spine? Car seats cause back pain primarily due to lack of proper lumbar support, improper seat adjustments, too far/upright, or worn out, compressed seat foam that forces poor posture. Long-term sitting causes muscular fatigue and spinal compression, which is aggravated by vibrations. To fix this, adjust seat height to keep hips level with knees, use a lumbar cushion, and tilt the seat back to 100 to 110 degrees. Common reasons for back pain: missing or poor lumbar support. Without support for the natural inward curve of the lower spine, the back muscles work harder, leading to pain. Improper seat adjustment: sitting too far upright puts pressure on the spine, while reclining too far causes forward neck strain. Compressed foam: over time, car seats lose their density, creating uneven surfaces that cause the pelvis to sit at an improper angle. Incorrect hip/knee angle: if the seat is too low and your hips are below your knees, it forces your pelvis to tilt backward, straining the lower spine. How to relieve back pain: add lumbar support, use a rolled-up towel or small cushion in the small of your back. Adjust seat height: raise the seat so your hips are at or slightly higher than your knees. Adjust the backrest: position the seat back at an angle of about 100 to 110 degrees, rather than perfectly upright. Check distance to pedals: sit close enough so your knees are slightly bent when pressing the pedals, avoiding overextending your legs. Adjust mirrors: set your mirrors to your ideal, upright posture to provide a visual reminder if you start slouching. For persistent issues, using a firmer, memory foam seat cushion, such as a purple seat cushion, can improve ergonomics.